Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can subtract in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to that example table here, and let's assume I would like to subtract here from that row. I would like to subtract that cell or value from the value of that cell here. So basically it's 110 minus 15. This is how you can do it, guys. Click into the cell next to these two cells here, where we would like to add the result to, which is this cell here, J8. And what you want to do after that is double click into it and start the formula by entering is equal to or equals, and then simply enter the names of these cells. So in this case here would be H8 minus I8. So let me enter that, H8 and then the minus, and what was it, I8. There it is. And you will see also the result here in that preview. To apply the formula, press enter, and that is going to add the subtraction here. As you can see, the result 110 minus 15. So that's one way I can do it, guys. Let's assume, for instance, you would like to subtract an entire column. You will need to apply the same, just using a column instead of a row. So in this case, you let us go with that cell here at the bottom of that column and do the same, repeat the same process, with the difference that in this case here you would add all of these cells into your to your formula. So double click into that cell, start by equal to, and then you will need to go with these numbers of that cell, which is in this case here I5, then we got I6, I7, and so on and so forth, minus I6, minus I7, minus I8, and so on and so forth, guys. I guess you see the pattern here. So I'm not going to add the entire column because that would take up too much time. So let me just stop at these 4 cells, press enter to apply the formula, and there you go. You will see the result of these first 4 cells as a subtraction, which is minus 104. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.